Traffic Tech is killing its competition in the tech industry with their unique automated motorway barrier systems. Their latest creation, the automated rapid movable barrier, is a game changer in traffic management. It's easy to install, super durable, and has a custom operating interface. The RMB is a low-profile barrier that consists of multiple 3.6-meter-long modules that can pivot out from the highway and across the road. It can be deployed in less than a minute, which makes it perfect for diverting traffic away from accidents and maintenance closures. It can also be used in tidal flow and reverse flow (RF) applications and in emergency situations. Plus, it can work in conjunction with movable concrete barriers. Traffic Tech is revolutionizing the way we manage traffic with their automated rapid movable barrier, making it quick, easy, and efficient. Introducing the newest addition to the transportation world, the Robobus from PIX Moving. This autonomous driving shuttle is taking the world by storm, and for good reason. Not only can it navigate tight spaces and park in even tighter spots, thanks to its fancy individual wheel movement, but it's also the ultimate multi-purpose vehicle. Need a place to relax after a long day at work? Robobus has got you covered. Want to catch up on some reading during your commute? Robobus is a library on wheels. Craving a latte but don't have time to stop? Robobus is basically a mobile coffee shop. And let's not forget the added bonus of being able to turn your ride into a mini gym. Talk about killing two birds with one stone. So next time you're in a city and see one of these bad boys rolling around, hop on and see for yourself what the hype is all about. You might just never want to drive again. With room for up to 6 passengers, you can invite all your friends and have a rolling dance party while the Robobus takes you on a short journey. It's not only emissions-free, but also quiet, making it the perfect mode of transportation for those early morning commutes. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready to fly like a bird and drive like a boss, because the ASKA A5 is here. The flying car is the ultimate all-in-one vehicle, capable of soaring through the skies and cruising on the ground. It's like having your own personal Batmobile, but way cooler. But don't be fooled by its sleek, SUV-like exterior. The A5 packs a punch when it comes to range. With a 250-mile or 400-kilometer range once airborne, you can fly to your next destination in no time. And the secret to its impressive range? A gasoline range extender, which allows for all 4 wheels to be placed outside the fuselage for AWD traction and maximum interior space to seat 4 passengers. But that's not all. The A5 also boasts 4 in-wheel electric motors, allowing for driving speeds of 70 miles per hour on the road and 150 miles per hour when flying. And thanks to its VTOL capabilities, it can take off and land vertically from any helipad and fit into existing parking spaces when on the ground. Plus, it can be charged like any other EV. But in case of engine failure, no need to worry. The A5 has large wings that act as a backup, allowing the vehicle to glide down safely. And as a cherry on top, it even has a built-in parachute to safely land the entire vehicle in case of emergency. The ASKA A5 is set to launch in 2026 as an on-demand ride service. Introducing the LeoBot family, a pack of robotic cleaning beasts that will leave your home spotless and your floors drier than a desert. These 4 models are each designed to tackle specific cleaning tasks with maximum efficiency. First up, we've got LeoScrub, the scrubbing king of the LeoBot family. This bot not only gets the job done, but it also saves water while doing it. Next, we've got LeoVac, the vacuum wizard of the group. This bot comes with an optional HEPA filter, ensuring your air is cleaner than a nun's conscience. Third, meet LeoMop, the silent assassin of the cleaning world. And lastly, we've got Leopold, the little worker with a big heart. Don't let its small size fool you. This bot can pull a 450-kilogram bin like it's a toy. So, if you're looking for a cleaning crew that's not only efficient but also entertaining and informative, the LeoBot family is the one for you. Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever heard of the newest, most revolutionary technology out there? No, it's not the latest iPhone or Tesla car. It's the burger bots. These little guys, also known as Pipebots, are the future of underground pipe maintenance. They're small, cute, and look just like mini burger buns. But don't let their adorable appearance fool you. These robots pack a punch with their sensors, including an accelerometer, a gyroscope, and a magnetic field sensor. They can navigate underground pipes all on their own, mapping out potential problems and even assisting with quick solutions. But wait, there's more! These burger bots can even help with those pesky fatberg blockages. You know, the ones caused by diapers and other debris. And if that wasn't impressive enough, they can also assist in preventing major pipe collapses. The best part? These robots can do all of this without the need for major excavation. It's like keyhole surgery for pipes. So next time you're chomping down on a juicy burger, just remember, the future of pipes is looking delicious. The Lucas chest compression system is like the Ferrari of CPR devices. It's able to deliver high-quality chest compressions with fewer interruptions than manual CPR. It's designed to give patients better outcomes and make responder resources more efficient. The Lucas maintains uninterrupted chest compressions in a cardiac arrest situations, ensures consistency in the quality of the chest compressions, and reduces staff fatigue from providing manual chest compressions. With the Lucas 3.1, the responder can change the chest compression rates at the touch of a button, always in compliance with the guidance of the Resuscitation Council, maintaining over 100 compressions per minute. This device also produces a post-event report, recording all compression rates, depth, and duration. The Lucas mechanical chest compression device provides external and automated closed chest compression, thus enabling even complex invasive procedures without interrupting cardiopulmonary support. Despite the promising features of the Lucas device, the only available randomized trial on this topic, including 149 patients with out-of-hospital cardiac arrest, appears in agreement with this case study. However, there's still debate on whether manual chest compression or mechanical chest compression is better. The BionicSwift is more than just a toy. It is a tool for education and scientific research. The ability to study the flight of a robotic bird in a controlled environment allows for a deeper understanding of the principles of bird flight and how it can be applied in various fields, such as aerospace and robotics. The BionicSwift is a great tool for educators as it can be used to teach students about the intricacies of bird flight and how it can be replicated through technology. Students can learn about the different parts of a bird's wing and how they work together to generate lift and thrust. The experimental set allows for the assembly of the wings and tail, which are controlled by a remote control. The BionicSwift weighs less than 40 grams and displays extremely agile flight behavior as an ultralight flying object. Thanks to a close examination of wings in nature, the BionicSwift is agile, nimble, and can even fly loops and tight turns. The 5 artificial swallows can move in a coordinated and autonomous manner in a defined airspace by interacting with a radio-based indoor GPS. Ultra-wideband UWB. Additionally, an available consumable material set containing feathers, glue, and carbon rods allows for the wing and tail to be rebuilt, enabling multiple use. Overall, the BionicSwift offers a unique opportunity to experience the ingenuity of nature in flight and to learn about the latest technology in bionics. Kawasaki Robotics has recently unveiled a new robotic technology that is capable of serving a perfect cup of coffee. This robot, designed for use in cafes and restaurants, is able to pour a consistent and precise amount of coffee every time without any spills or waste. The robot is able to serve a cup of coffee in just a few seconds, and it can serve multiple cups at once. This is a significant advantage for busy cafes and restaurants, as it can help to speed up service and reduce waiting times for customers. One of the most impressive features of this robot is its ability to pour a perfect cup of coffee every time without any spills or waste. This is made possible by the robot's advanced sensors, which can detect the level of the coffee in the cup and adjust the pouring accordingly. This ensures that the customer always receives a perfect cup of coffee and that none of the coffee is wasted. Additionally, the robot can be programmed to serve different types of coffee, such as espresso, cappuccino, and latte. This makes it versatile and adaptable for different types of cafes and restaurants. For over 3,000 years, people have been using umbrellas to protect themselves from rain. But what about this trusty bicycles? Well, we've taken the age-old umbrella principle and turned it into something new and exciting. The undercover. This patented device attaches to your bike's frame and provides innovative rain protection for cyclists. Think of it as an elongated umbrella with a built-in hood for your head. No more obstruction in your vision. Notice the undercover, it mounts on the bike's down tube, meaning that it doesn't turn back and forth with the handlebars. It extends out over the bars in front and back over the cyclist, or most of their upper body. Their head goes up through a collar tube built into the umbrella and into an integrated waterproof hood. Space between the umbrella and the body ensures freedom of movement and prevents excessive sweating, unlike standard rainwear. The undercover bike umbrella is perfect for the person who just has to bike everywhere. The umbrella protects your bike and the rain hood protects your head. Let's be real, riding in the rain sucks. You're drenched, cold, and miserable, even with the most expensive waterproof gear. But we at LEAFXPRO have decided that sunny days are just not enough, and we're here to change that. We've been working on the LEAFXPRO bike umbrella for the past 2 years, perfecting the materials and design to make it the best and safest option out there. It's lightweight, easy to assemble and disassemble, and requires no special tools. Plus, it's aerodynamic enough to handle winds up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, so you don't have to worry about it turning into a giant kite. The engineers took inspiration from Mother Nature to create a product that not only looks good, but also performs well. And the best part? You can pre-order it on Indiegogo for half the retail price. So, no more soggy rides, it's time to LEAFXPRO.